How to buy Rocket, the AI Rocket by Virtuals. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on the X account first. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and check their X account. As you can see, now after that, to be able to buy this token, go and check it on the screener. So this token is available there. If you don't have an account on the screen, just go and create one. As you can see, the last 24 hours, this token increased by 36%. And this token is under the base network. Now click on here to be able to copy the token address. Now the best way to buy this token is just going and using the Bitget wallet. Now just click on it. Now go to your wallet and here select or switch the network to base network. Now click on this plus button as you can see and paste the token address. Now after that, as you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus and now go back to your wallet to find it. So this is our Rocket token. Just click on it and click on swap to be able to buy it. Just click here to switch. Now here select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. So make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet and now enter how much you want to buy. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now if you click on buy, you will be able to buy the Rocket token. So this is how to buy the Rocket token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.